Come back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, we are going to talk about computer easy of access. So go to Start menu and scroll down. And here you can see Windows easy of access. And here you can see for software, magnifier, narrator, on-screen keyboard, Windows speech recognition. The first I'm going to open magnifier. And here you can see if I open this, I can zoom in or zoom out my PC like this. So I'm going to zoom out. And if I click on play,
ULT data for Android.
you can hear the voice. Now I'm going to show you the next one, the narrator.
Paint narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the exiting narrator.
We can hide this.
Paint narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches. Narrator heading level 1. Scan. Welcome to narrator. This is narrator home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information to navigate your device. To start or stop narrator, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Enter. Explore the sections below to get started. Quick Start button. Learn the basics of narrator. Alt Q.
So you can hear the narrator speech. So you can exit narrator or you can minimize.
Minimize button. Alt M.
Now
Start window. Search. Search box. Edit. Type here to search. Pane. Torrent 3.6. Build. Learn to pronounce image. Dismiss. Button.
Now I can hear it will speech what I do in my computer. So I'm going to close this one.
Notification overflow. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to narrator. Exiting narrator.
In on-screen keyboard, you can also enable on-screen keyboard. You can type anything. If I open my browser, I can type anything in here. Like this. So I'm going to close this one. This also have a shortcut where you can easily open a keyboard with RAM. Click Windows plus R and here type OSK. It will be enable your on-screen keyboard. Now I'm going to talk about the last one. Windows speech recognition. If I enable this, I can control my computer with voice. Speech recognition allows you to control your computer by voice. So click on next. Whatever microphone I have, we need to select this one. I have this type of microphone. So I'm going to select this one and click on next. Next again. Now you can see this and click on next again. You can enable or disable document review. Use manual active mode. So guys, in this way you can set up your speech recognition. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.